Dear students, now in this video I am going to explain division of decimals. In the last video I explained how to multiply decimal. Now have a look upon division of decimals. First of all, in this topic also we will learn how to divide the decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000, etc. If you need to divide any decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, then how to divide any decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, so for example we can see 2.5 divided by 10. 2.5 divided by 10. So just recall, when we multiplied any decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000, we shifted the point into the right side. That I explained in the multiplication of the decimal. When we multiply any decimal by 10, 100 or 1000, we need to shift the point to the right side. But when we divide, then we will shift the decimal point to the left side and to the number of places that is equals to number of zeros. Just like 2.5 divided by 10. In 2.5 divided by 10 there is 1 0. In 10 there is 1 0. So we will shift the point one place into the left side, because we are now dividing. If we multiply, then we shift the point to the right side. If we divide, then we will shift the point into the left side. Okay, so divide by 10, so shift one point into the left, then it will be 0.25. Point will come at first place, so it will be 0.25, or we can write 0.25. Similarly here 345.5 divided by 100. Now there are two zeros, so we will shift the point two place to the left, so it will be 3.455. Okay, similarly there is 1000. Now 5.5 divided by 1000, so 1000 is there, so here also we will shift the point three place into the left side, but into the left side we have only one digit, so there are two digits left, so we will put two zeros before that. Okay, so we will put 5, and before 5 we will put two zeros, so it will be 0.0055. Why we placed 0 there? Because we need to shift the decimal into to the three places into the left side. Okay, but we have only one place, so we put two zeros. Okay, so this is the method to divide any decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000. Our next topic is to divide the decimal number by a whole number or another decimal number. Now we need to divide a decimal by decimal or decimal by any other whole number. Just like this is example number 3 of your textbook. Divide 6734.9412 by 2.34. So first of all I have written the question in the form of divide 6734.9412 upon 2.34. Now hear it carefully, listen it carefully, that we will count the number of decimal places in the numerator and denominator. Count number of decimal places in the numerator and denominator. In numerator decimal places are 1, 2, 3, 4. In denominator decimal places are 1, 2. Subtract 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 equals to 2. So now you will shift the point of the numerator to the two places, because in the numerator number of decimal places are more than denominator, so decimal will remain in the numerator only. Try to understand again, try to listen, try to concentrate on this topic, that count the number of decimal places. Count the number of decimal places in numerator and denominator. In numerator decimal places are 1, 2, 3, 4. In denominator decimal places are 2. Now subtract 4 minus 2, 2. So in the numerator now decimal will be placed after two digits. Understood? So now we have written the number 673494.12 upon 234. In the denominator, the decimal will be removed. In numerator only the decimal will remain for after 2 digits, because 4 minus 2 is 2, and in the numerator decimal places are more, so the decimal will remain in the numerator. Understood? Afterwards we have to divide it as normal division, and when we get the quotient we will put the point after 2 digits. Understood everyone? So again I will explain once more. Count the number of decimal places in the numerator and denominator both. Here in the numerator, number of decimal places are 4. In the denominator, number of decimal places are 2. Then subtract 4 minus 2, that will be 2. In the numerator, decimal places are more. So now decimal will be placed after 2 digits, and then we have to simply divide. Understood? One more example I have explained. Example number 4 of your textbook it is, that is 15.75 divided by 3.5. Here the number of decimal places in the numerator are 2, 1, 2. In the denominator 1. So 2 minus 1, there will be 1. So 157.5 divided by 35. Now I will put decimal after 1 digit in the numerator, because in the numerator decimal places are 2. In the denominator decimal places are 1. 2 minus 1, that will be 1. Okay, and so we will put the decimal in the numerator after 1 digit, and then we need to simple divide. We need to do simple division. 35 divided by 157.5, and we will get our answer. Understood? So try to solve the questions of exercise 3.3, question number 1 and 2. The question number 3 I have solved here. I will explain in the next video. Thank you.